How to see how many streams a song has on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can see how many streams a song has on Spotify. So it's quite simple and easy. You can see it easily. So what you're gonna do is first of all go ahead and tap on your Spotify application. Once you do that, you'll be appear with the home page of Spotify. Now from the appear screen, tap on any song that you like. And then once you do that, go ahead and tap on that three dots and tap on view artist and then tap on view album. Now as you can see, all the albums that have been uploaded or that has been uploaded by the artist. So as you scroll down, you can see the stream right there, 12 songs and 52 minutes and 57 seconds. This is how easily you can see how many streams a song has on Spotify. I hope this video helps. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to your channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.